Okay, I just heard about Buttercup, the cyber reasoning system, and it finds and patches software vulnerabilities. How wild is that?
Wait, so it's actually running fuzzing campaigns to detect issues in software? That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Exactly. It starts by creating inputs to discover vulnerabilities. Like it's almost like trial and error, but powered by AI.
And then it uses this multi-agent AI to actually generate patches. That's fascinating because it's automating a typically manual process.
Right. Imagine the hours this could save developers who are constantly dealing with security vulnerabilities.
And it's not just a single tool. Buttercup seems to have a whole system working together. I mean, what's the orchestrator do?
That coordinates the workflow. Think of it like a conductor leading an orchestra, ensuring everything plays together harmoniously.
Love that analogy. So it manages all the components, like the seed generator and fuzzer. It's like a software security team in one box.
Totally. And the program model analyzes the code structure. Buttercup has its own brain to understand the software.
Hold on, what if it finds a vulnerability? How does it know how to patch it?
Good question. The patcher generates and applies security patches, so it learns from detected flaws and fixes them on its own.
Whoa, that feels like it could revolutionize how we handle software security. What do you think?
Absolutely, especially with open source code, which is often riddled with issues. This could change everything.
Speaking of open source, does it work on all systems? I mean, what's the setup like?
Buttercup mainly supports Linux. You need a decent CPU and RAM plus a stable internet connection.
So it's not too demanding then? Just any Linux machine can run it?
Exactly, and it has a streamlined setup process that automates everything. Easy peasy.
Great, but what about the costs? I mean, these AI models don't come free.
Right? Buttercup uses LLMs from providers like OpenAI and Anthropic, and you have to manage the budget for those.
That makes sense. It's one thing to have the tech, another to keep it sustainable. But I love that it's budget conscious.
For sure. And the performance insights it provides through logging is essential. It's like having a monitoring dashboard, right?
Exactly. You can track metrics and even see how much usage is consuming resources. That kind of transparency is so needed.
And if you think about it, this system could mitigate risks before they become real threats, like proactive defense.
That's such a game changer. What a shift from reactive approaches to security.
Totally. But wait, do you think this could lead to over-reliance on AI for security?
That's a valid concern. Can we trust it not to miss vulnerabilities? There has to be a balance.
Exactly. Human oversight will still be crucial. These AI systems are amazing, but they aren't infallible.
So true. Maybe they could supplement a human team instead of replacing it. Collaboration might be the way forward.
Yeah, like having an AI co-pilot. They enhance our capabilities rather than just doing everything for us.
I love that idea. It's about maximizing strengths, right? Humans for intuition, AI for efficiency.
Exactly. Speaking of which, did you see that Buttercup has a web-based GUI for monitoring tasks?
Oh, I missed that. So you can see real-time updates on vulnerabilities being found? That's super handy.
Yes, you can actually watch it work, which makes the whole process feel more transparent and interactive.
Transparency is key in any system that deals with security. That visibility could build trust.
Totally agree. And this whole setup allows for quick identification of issues. Just think of the impact.
Right? It's like having a security guard that never sleeps. So much potential for reducing vulnerabilities.
And the cool part is, if it finds a problem, it's taking immediate action to remedy it. That's proactive.
Such a smart design. But I wonder how they handle the testing once a patch is applied.
That's interesting. I assume they test it post-patch to ensure everything runs smoothly after fixes are applied.
Of course, a patch that breaks something else wouldn't help anyone. It's all about maintaining stability.
So, this really positions Buttercup as a game changer in cybersecurity. I can't wait to see how it evolves.
Same here. There's just so much potential that makes security less daunting for developers and organizations.
And who knows, we might even see more widespread adoption of open source projects because of systems like this.
Exactly. It could democratize access to security tools. What an exciting future ahead for cybersecurity.
Definitely. But it all circles back to how we blend these technologies with human insight. What a thought to end on.
Yeah, I'm just left wondering how far we can push this collaboration. It's an exhilarating journey,